Hello, my name is Addison Sewing, and today we will be going over place value for 4th grade math students. The place value chart helps to find the value of a number. In each section, there can only be one digit. So right below here is the place value chart. This is where the hundreds place goes, the tens place goes, and the ones. The number has the smallest value on the right with the ones. It is a unit. The middle has a value of 10 units, and that is called a rod. The hundreds is a flat, and it is worth 100 units, or 10 rods. So the hundreds makes up 10 rods, or you can say it is 100 units, just like the ones is just 1 unit. The number 243 has 2 flats, 4 rods, and 3 units. This is the same as 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 3 ones, and that makes up 243. How many hundreds, tens, and ones are in 368? So right here we have the hundreds place, and there will be 3 flats, which is 3 hundreds, and then we're going to have 6 rods, which is 6 tens, which is also equal to 60. And in our ones place, we are going to have 8 because that is 8 units. And this is just showing exactly what it looks like. So again, we have 3 flats, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rods, and we have 8 units, and that number is 368. So in the place value chart, we're actually now going to practice. So right here we have 234. So we're going to do 2 hundreds. We have 3 tens, and then we have 4 ones. This is also equal to 2 flats, 3 rods, and 4 units. So in the hundreds place in 17, we don't have anything, so it's 0. In the tens place, we do have 1. And then in the ones, we have 7. This is also equal to 1 rod and 7 units. In the hundreds place in 123 is 1, so that's equal to 1 flat, which is also equal to 100 units. And then we have a 2, and that is 2 rods, are also equal to 2 tens. And then we also have 3 units, so this number is 123. In the hundreds place here we have 4, which is also equal to 4 flats. And then we have 5 tens and 6 ones, which is also equal to 4 flats, 5 rods, and 6 units. In the hundreds place we don't have anything, so we're going to put 0. And then we have 3 tens and 7 ones, so that is also equal to 3 rods and 7 units. In the hundreds place here we don't have anything, so we're going to put a 0. And then we do have a 9 in the tens place, and we have 7 in the ones. It's also equal to 9 rods and 7 units. In this one we have 7 in the hundreds place, we have 8 tens, and then we have 9 ones. This is also equal to 7 flats, 8 rods, and 9 ones. And that is the end of my slideshow. Thank you for listening.